I just brought the original reference to which Huzur mentioned yesterday in Al-Wasiyat. This is
the central part.
Yeah, that is it.
So you have translated it?
No, I just mentioned that the book was published in 1905.
I told the press secretary to send you this. But anyway,
yes.
Continue with this.
So I was saying that Huzur mentioned about this book Al-Wasiyat. It was published in 1905. There Hazrat Masih Maud ﷺ has mentioned about two manifestations which Allah Almighty always shows, and the wording relevant is
two manifestations of His power.
Of His power, yes. And I have got this. Yes. I have got the English translation as well, which I am going to read.
From where?
This is published from Tahrik-e-Jadid.
Okay. Read.
Yeah. Masih Maud ﷺ says, "My dear friends, when this has always been the will of Allah, my dear friends, when this has always been the way the will of Allah works, showing two manifestations of His power, so that He should demolish two false joys of the opponents, it is impossible that now He should proceed to alter this long established divine practice. You should not therefore grieve over this that I have told you, nor should you let yourself be heartbroken, for you are destined to see the second manifestation of God's power as well, and the coming of that manifestation would be better for you, for it would be everlasting, of which the chain shall not break until the day of the Qiyamah. And that second manifestation cannot come except after I am gone. But when I go away, Allah shall send the second manifestation for you, and it shall stay with you always." So this was the reference here.
So the question I raised was, how could Anjuman be this thing? It was always there under him. So it had to be something new, which should be permanent. And this is exactly what has happened.
Okay.